Bollywood awards wrongfully given to star kids. Ananya Pandey. Ananya has started her Bollywood career with the movie Student of the Year 2. Though she has won the Best Female Debut award for the movie, it is quite evident that she won the award just because she is a star kid. Sara Ali Khan. In the 64th Filmfare Award, Sara was given the Best Debut Female Award for her movie Kedarnath. Sara, who is a star kid, was good in the movie, but it was Radhika Madan who deserved to win the award for her debut movie, Patakha. Kareena Kapoor Khan. There was a time when Kareena was giving back-to-back flop movies, but still Filmfare gave her the Best Actress award. Aishwarya for Raincoat was also nominated, but Kareena bagged the award because of her family background. Suraj Pancholi. Aditya Pancholi's son, Suraj was launched by Salman Khan in the movie Hero, for which he won Filmfare Award. But the same year, Vicky Kaushal was nominated for his movie Masan, but he lost to Suraj Pancholi, who was really undeserving. Saif Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan's first movie was Parampara, but he was not the solo lead in the movie. Filmfare decided to give him the Best Debut award for his second movie, Aashik Awaara, which was not at all fair. Abhimanyu Dasani. Abhimanyu Dasani's acting was praised in first movie Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota, and he got the Best Debut award for the movie. But Mardani 2 fame Vishal Jethwa deserved to win the award mostly. It was clear that Filmfare gave the award to Abhimanyu just because he is a star kid. Kajol. Kajol won Best Actress award for Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, but the same year Tabu was also nominated for Chandni Bar. Tabu was most deserving than Kajol, but Kajol got the award for being a star kid. Imran Khan. Well, Imran Khan was given an award for Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, and he shared the award with Farhan Akhtar for Rock On. Farhan was far better than Imran in Rock On, and it was evident that Imran was only given the award as he had connection in Bollywood. Isha Deol. Isha was given Best Debut award for her film Koi Mere Dil Se Pooche, which was a box office disaster. Everybody knew that she only got the award because she is Hema Malini and Dharmendra's daughter. Bobby Deol. Dharmendra's son Bobby Deol also got award for his first movie Barsat 1995. The movie and Bobby's acting were very poor, and he got the award just because he is a star kid. Tushar Kapoor. Tushar Kapoor was given an award for Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai on the same year when R. Madhavan was nominated for Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. Everybody knows that who is better actor, and Filmfare gave Tushar the award just because he is Jitendra's son. Fardeen Khan. Feroz Khan's son Fardeen won an award for his first movie Premagan, which he acted miserably. Did Filmfare really like his performance, or he was given the award because of being a star kid? Well, we all know the answers. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.